Now, the alternative three-way variance may be further broken down to a four-way or a five-way variance. So, paano natin i-break down yung SCE variance into four-way or five-way analysis? Either or both, the spending and efficiency variances may be broken down into their variable and fixed components, leading to a four-way or five-way variance analysis. So, balikan lang natin yung nauna nating slide. Okay, so ito yung ating alternative three-way, yung SCE, no? Spending, Capacity, and Efficiency Variance. Now, ang mangyayari lang para maging four-way or five-way siya, yung spending tsaka efficiency, hatiin mo lang sa fixed at variable. So, let me show it. No? Nandito siya. So, bago tayo mag-proceed sa computation, ito lang yung gusto nating i-emphasize. The five-way analysis na dinidiscuss natin ngayon is similar to the first version five-way analysis, albeit differently arranged. Parehong-pareho po siya nung nauna nating five-way variance kanina, iba lang yung pagkaka-arrange. Let me show it to you. Ayan po siya. Okay? So, hindi ko na po pinakita yung computation kasi yung paghahati po ng spending variance into the variable and fixed at saka yung paghahati ng efficiency variance into variable and fixed ay na-discuss ko na doon sa mga naunang video. No? So, balikan mo na lang doon. Okay? So, dito natin makikita na pag hinati mo yung spending variance at hinati mo yung efficiency variance into their variable and fixed component, you will arrive dun sa five-way variance, yung unang version natin kanina. Iba lang yung pagkakasunod-sunod dito. Ayan. And still, of course, the total is 405. So this ends my discussion about the bloody and tricky standard overhead or standard costing and overhead analysis. So I'm leaving you with this quote from the letter of Paul to the Romans, chapter 8, verse 18. The sufferings of this present time are not worthy to be compared with the glory that is to be revealed to us. Thank you for your attention, and I do hope that this series of videos will help you better understand variance analysis and standard costing.